Well guys, I have a long winter project in this vessel about renovating everything, and especially electric and electronics. And it's like, electric, like repairing in your house. You can just pause this, but you can never stop it. So it's a kind of Santa Barbara, and I decided to create the full separate playing list for this Santa Barbara. And in this first episode, actually everything began in summertime when I put cable glands under this console, this one to make wiring through the floor to the back of the board. But this episode 0, I don't have in English, and probably you are happy. So, and this first episode, it's like preparation. I will show what I had here before and what I already prepared. Specific of my episodes will be that I will be showing you different interesting stuff that you can use on your board. I will show you all part numbers that you can buy, at least on Mauser, and in general probably you can get some interesting ideas for your own project. So let's go to see how it was in the beginning and what already has been done. So that's the all electric network, if we can say so. This is from the radio. I dismounted something already. There is going to outside, because when I'm fishing I have rail here, and this rail with lights. So, and this is going this way, which is not nice, of course. So here I have full mess of cables, old switching, always broken here. So then we go on another side here, so we're going through there. Yeah, and here we have quite a mess of everything, and there is no way to go on the left side of the board other than this one. But now I have a hatch in the middle. I will go through the floor, so, and somewhere there. And I also made a hole there in the front. There is no way at all to go to the front, because I want to put speakers, 6.5 inches speakers there, because you can't feed big speakers here. You are limited. Here you can put a bigger one, but on that side you are quite limited, and 4 inches is the maximum. Even 5.25 you can't. Their space will be quite booked, and speakers there I don't want to have, as well as I don't want to have them here. So that's it. That's the mess I have now, and it will be fully redone with a lot of interesting things, used parts that you can buy, and so on and so on. Let's see what we have here. This old switching panel. This is temporary panel for the tops. I have another video about how I did it. So this is holder for the Elite, Lowrance Elite. Yeah, here I have Tahoe, broken one. I will be changing the glass. So USB ports. I will have a nice dash, new branded dash here. So even wheel will be changed together with the steering system. Yep. Probably you haven't seen my previous video about how I did the holes. So glands, cable glands here. So this way, and we can go under the floor. You can see I have AMR sensor. I don't remember the mark. Here, installed by someone before. So here I plan to place the compass, precision 9. I probably put a piece of wood that I connect to these parts by some metal profiles.
So let's see. And here you can see I did this way, 32, I think, millimeters. So this way I can put the cable with the connector, and no problem, water will not rise so high, so no water comes there. I don't need any sealing anymore, just sealing here in the bottom. So I plan to put NEMA connector there for this Precision 9 sensor. I put it and it will be here. So that's the solution. Yeah, okay, I show you also this way. So here I will come also this way. Yeah, let's see. So these are conditions before I change everything. I removed a lot of stuff, almost everything. Now I'm going to remove this also, mechanical steering. Let's remember the part number, because it was from here. This is from Tahoe. I'm not going to change this one, but a lot of different stuff. This wires goes away. So these are current conditions. So I dismounted everything, almost everything. You can see the how this in English, to switch into gear. Yeah, and the junction box from the SmartSraft. So SmartSraft bus, I don't like that they are doing them so big, and I need to hide them somewhere. Okay, then also wires for switching into gear. Yeah, by the way, also manual steering is still there. I will be removing now. It will be another video about changing to hydraulic system. Yeah, so here we have the sensor, which is stick to the floor, and fuel pipe. That is going to be removed, the key and everything here will be absolutely new. You will see it will probably be covered in another video about new switching boxes, glove boxes. Yeah, so everything dismounted here. Also, it's pretty empty. What we still have here, we still have from trim tabs cables that I been temporary tested in another video before I did permanent installation. Yeah, so these are cables to power engine. Yeah, so they are still there. So these are cables to power engine. Yeah, they're still here. And then we have yeah, we have another sensor here, and a long wire. I don't like it because I need to hide it somewhere. Usually here will be a lot of stuff. By the way, if you know, is it safe to cut, solder and tape it? Is it okay? No interference or anything, then let me know in comments. So another trim tab and cables from here. Yeah, so we have manual steering that is now going to be removed. It will be another video. We have SmartSraft bus. We have how you call this in English for switching into gear. Yeah, so okay, yeah, I also don't know how I will handle wires through the board in all these places. Maybe I will do them new. Let's see. So this is stuff here. The old stuff is all over there, and it was a full mess. I think you have seen it in the previous frames of this video. I'm not sure. Yeah, basically it's always designed with fuse there and there and there. It wasn't understandable which part is broken in case if something doesn't work. So I think you will see quite nice new wiring after all. I don't know yet how I will do this. Let's see. And now for cable management, I need to prepare walls under that console so that I drill all stuff to the walls
rather than to the air bunk. I don't want to drill anything to the air bunk directly. So I have video about plastic, but it's not in English, and again you are probably happy. So, and from that side I want to fix these walls with rivets, stainless steel rivets. Again I have a video, and again no in English, so again you are happy. So prepare the walls. I added more cable glands because initial 4 wasn't enough. After I did schematic of what I want to connect here. Yeah, so I put a small one this time. About initial, I think I have also English video on my channel. If I have, I will include this, the link in the description. Yeah, so other solutions here don't work. I don't want to explain. Yeah, so other cable management solution don't work here, just this solution with cable gland that I put on epoxy. It wasn't convenient at all to work here with this tool. Yeah, I have a video about this, but yeah, I think not in English. Holes that I made in summertime and cable glands to go through the floor under this console wasn't enough when I began drawing a plan. That's the plan. It represents the board. Actually, there were more different options, and they are still here because I don't have any final result. But already now I see that I need to take 2 very fat cables to the back of the board, to switches, shunt, and so on. And I need to get back for the loads also 2 cables, because I will use shunt, yeah, and ampermeter. So it means that I need also minus ground also, so 2 goes back, and from the battery from the first battery I need a cable also here, so already 5. Then I have speakers, so 4 wires goes from here. Then I need to provide speakers on the passenger driver console, so another cable here. So how many? 5, 6, 7 already. And then communication between consoles, different types with eye socket sensors, for example, already 8. So it wasn't enough, so I am going to add more. That's all. In the second episode we will prepare places for the battery, optimal battery, and another one there. So like, subscribe, see you next time.